Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, today we're at the Carlisle Vine. This is a beautiful high-rise in the Uptown Dallas area, and what we're doing is we're just doing a bit of refresh content. We have been here before. This is on our playlist, this established playlist. Probably have two different filmings, but this filming today is going to be with our new and improved camera. And we hope to just give you a little fresh take of the Carlisle Vine. It's a really pretty location. It is a beautiful high-rise, and it's here in the Uptown area. Yeah, a big advantage of it, we'll talk a little bit more about it in the next video, but it's really near the Katy Trail, but it's also really kind of near the inner cool part of Uptown, where you get to know you know, just like there's an area of every town where the tourists go, and there's an area that's like where the locals, if you would, go. This is one of those locals area. It's a really cool place to consider for your apartment here when you come to Uptown Dallas. We're gonna film probably about 8 videos or so and just kind of take a kind of a refresh look of the area, and I can't wait to show this off to you. So let's go do that right now. If you have questions at any time about getting your best apartment in the Dallas area, then I want you to send me a text. My number's below and you'll see it there. Just send me a text and go, Grant, I'd love to get your 100% free help to get my perfect apartment here in the Uptown Dallas area. Send me a text and we'll kind of go from there. It'll be great. I'd love to say hi. Real friendly. I've helped a lot of friends. They become my friends after I help them, because I love people, love helping people find their perfect place here in Dallas. Send me that text and watch, because we're gonna see on the next video, I'm gonna talk a little bit more about this area and why it might be perfect for you.